In a sleek lab nestled on the coast of Jamaica, 3 scientists, Brian, Okeem, and Shanshan, worked tirelessly on their latest project, the Quantum Reef. This experimental device aimed to harness quantum entanglement to restore and amplify marine life in the nearby coral reefs, which had been suffering from climate change and pollution. Brian, the seasoned biologist, adjusted his goggles as he examined the shimmering holographic map of the reef. Okeem, the engineer with a knack for quantum mechanics, tweaked the settings on the console. Shanshan, a brilliant data scientist from Canada, analyzed the incoming data streams to ensure the system's stability. Suddenly, the device hummed with unprecedented energy. A bright blue pulse radiated outward, and the water beneath their lab shimmered. Their eyes widened. The quantum reef was activating on its own. "Yo, this must be a success," Okeem exclaimed, grinning. "We just set off a wave of quantum energy that could revitalize the entire reef." But then, the water rippled violently. A portal flickered into existence just beneath the surface, swirling with hues of violet and teal. From within it, a strange, luminous creature emerged, an alien marine life form, unlike anything seen before. It floated gracefully, its body radiating an aura of calm intelligence. Shanshan's eyes darted across her screen. This is beyond anything we predicted. The reef's energy has attracted an interdimensional entity." Brian took a deep breath. "We didn't plan for this, but maybe it's a sign. The reef's revival is attracting new life, something from another universe." The creature hovered closer, communicating through shimmering patterns of light. It wasn't aggressive but curious. Okeem reached out cautiously. "Maybe this is a new chapter for our planet, and for science." Together, they realized that their experiment had opened a gateway, not just to restore their reefs, but to a broader universe of possibility. The quantum reef wasn't just saving their home, it was connecting worlds. As the portal stabilized, the trio looked at each other, knowing that their discovery was only the beginning of an incredible journey.